we are going to discuss infinity minus infinity form. Infinity minus infinity form और इसको किस तरह टैकल हमने करना है and how we are going to discuss some examples of this one. Infinity minus infinity, a difference of the function f minus g is of the form infinity minus form. Infinity minus infinity as x approaches to b from the left side if both f of x and g of x have plus minus infinity limit whenever x approaches to b minus which is from the left side. In this case, it may be possible to manipulate f minus g as we did for the previous undetermined forms into an expression that is no longer indeterminate form or is of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity as x approaches to infinity. This is infinity by infinity. 0 by 0 form में या infinity by infinity form में we can convert या इसको manipulate इस तरह किया जा सकता है f minus g को so that we don't have such type of form which is infinity minus infinity. Similarly, we can define for x approaches towards b from the right side or x approaches to b interior interval में या x approaches to plus minus infinity. Similarly, इस तरह की definition जो है वो infinity minus infinity के लिए हम define कर सकते हैं. Let's see an example. Evaluate the limit x approaches to 0 sin x over x square minus 1 over x. So, limit की evaluation सबसे पहले हम करते हैं, देखते हैं कि ये form क्या बनती है. Limit sin x over x square minus limit x approaches to 0 1 over x. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा manipulate करना पड़ेगा. It could be written as limit x approaches to 0 sin x over x into limit 1 over x approaches to 0 minus limit x approaches to 0 1 over x. अब ये हमें पता है ये 1 होती है. So 1 into 1 by 0 minus 1 by 0 which is infinity minus infinity form. So infinity by infinity form जो है ये बन रही है. So let's see how we solve this one. So this is infinity minus infinity form. We have already seen this one. So we have to evaluate this one. We will do the LCM. So that will be sin x minus x over x square. Limit x approaches to 0. Now it is whenever limit x approaches to 0, it is 0 by 0 form. So we can apply the L'Hopital rule. L'Hopital rule apply करें. Sin x का derivative cos x होता है minus 1 जो है x का 1 होता है 2x. अब ये लिमिट बन गई according to L'Hopital rule. अब L'Hopital once again x approaches to 0 होगा, so that will be 1 minus 1 over 0. Once again 0 by 0 form. So repeatedly L'Hopital rule जो है हमें determine apply करना पड़ेगा. So cos x का derivative क्या होता है minus sin x, constant का derivative 0 or 2. So that will be limit x approaches to 0. So limit of that function in fact equals 0 divided by 2 which is 0. So limit of that function will be 0. So you have seen कि अगर infinity by infinity form आए, we have to do some tricks and computations to avoid such infinity minus infinity form and transform it into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form so that we will be able to apply the L'Hopital rule. Consider this example. Limit x approaches to infinity x square minus x. अगर x infinity में डाल दूं तो infinity minus infinity. In fact, infinity square minus infinity ये form बनती है. तो once again it is not allowed in mathematics. So I will do some computation. X square जो है 1 minus 1 by x, इसको मैं इस function को इस तरह लिख सकता हूँ. So limit x approaches to infinity x square minus x equals limit x approaches to infinity. अब आप देखें कि मेरे पास क्या आ रहा है, infinity minus infinity form नहीं आ रही. अगर मैं x approaches to infinity करवाऊं तो infinity into 1 minus 1 by infinity जो कि infinity into 1 minus 0 जो है ये बन जाएगा. So the limit of that function is infinity. लेकिन मेरे पास ये undetermined form जो थी infinity minus infinity वो नहीं आ रही. Limit मेरी infinity हो सकती है, I don't care. So we have seen that whenever we have infinity minus infinity form, we have to do some tricks or computations to transform that infinity minus infinity form into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, so that we will be able to apply L'Hopital rule and get the limits.